Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to forward a meeting invite in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails and folders so everything is ready to work with. Now that your emails have loaded, let's get into forwarding that meeting invite. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is where you'll find the meeting invite you want to forward. Take a moment to locate the specific meeting invite you received. It should appear as an email in your inbox with meeting details included. Once you've found the meeting invite, right-click directly on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this list, you'll immediately see the forward option right there in the menu. Go ahead and click on forward. As soon as you click it, an email composition window will open up automatically. The great thing here is that Outlook includes all the meeting invite details in this new email without you having to copy anything manually. Everything from the meeting time, location, agenda, and any attachments will already be added to the email, saving you time and ensuring nothing gets left out. Now all you need to do is add your recipients, click into the To field at the top of the composition window and type in the email addresses of the people you want to forward this meeting invite to. You can add multiple recipients if needed by separating their addresses with semicolons or commas. Once you've added everyone who needs to receive this invite, simply click the send button and you're done. The meeting invite will be forwarded to all your selected recipients with all the original details intact. And that's it, you've successfully forwarded a meeting invite in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.